Now in the last section we created a Contact Us form which is on the Contact Us page. Now what would be quite useful is to create this form, which we've already done, and then allow us to sort of recycle it on other pages. And the way you do that is actually incredibly easy. If I go over here, because this whole thing is in a section, so if I go over to here to the section items, you'll notice you've got different items here, and you've got this one here that basically says Save Section to Library. If I go and click on that, and in layout name, I'll just give it a name, so I'll just call it Contact Us, just so we know what it's about. I'll go and save that to the library. I'll just go and save my changes. So what I've done is this contact form is now saved in the library, so you can recycle it on any page. So let's go to the home page. The home page is currently looking like this. So a good idea these days is to have a contact form maybe at the bottom of the home page. So let's go and enable the Visual Builder, and we'll scroll down here. Now what I want to do is I want to create a new section, so I click here, and what I'd normally have to do is click on one of these and go through and set it all up, but because we've saved the contact form to the library, I can recycle it. So you see where it says Add from Library. If I click on that, there's the contact form which I previously saved to the library. If I click on that and just scroll down so you can see it, how cool was that? Maybe it would have been a good idea to have the words please contact us also in there. So in this particular case that's not there, but if people see that they get the idea, or failing that in this case, what I could do is I could manually go in here, click here, go down to where it says text, type in something like please contact us, and again I could make that bold, maybe something like that. And it's probably a good idea to go into here, go to where it says text, bring this down a little bit and increase the size so it kind of stands out, and then of course I just drag that directly above there. So if I go and save those changes, click on save, then if we exit the Visual Builder so we can see what the customer is going to see, there we are. I've got the Contact Us form down the bottom there. Now incidentally, in that particular example what I did was I saved a section to the library. What you need to realize is you can save sections, rows or individual modules to the library.